Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by drawing a horizontal guideline about 3.5 inches long for the fish body outline. Keep a light hand so you can erase. Sketch an oval for the body and a triangle for the tail, meeting at a 45-degree angle so proportions read correctly. Divide the body into 3 sections: head, mid-body, and tail, using soft vertical marks. These zones guide eye placement, fin location, and scale rows for a balanced composition. Keep lines simple and confident to maintain shape. Place the eye about 1/4 of the way from the head, using a circle with a small highlight to imply light reflection. Draw the dorsal fin starting 40% back from the head and extend it not more than 1/3 of the body height, so it reads as proportionate. Add pectoral and pelvic fins beneath the mid-body with gentle curved lines for a natural look. Keep their bases about 1/8 of the body height apart to suggest motion. Indicate scale texture with staggered arcs in rows, spacing about 1/8 inch between rows across the mid-body to keep rhythm and form. Shade the belly lighter and the back darker using soft cross-hatching to suggest depth and curvature. Follow the contour lines so shading enhances roundness. Finalize with a dark pupil, a faint mouth line placed just under the eye, and an erased guideline cleanup for a polished drawing. Sign and date your work if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.